What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. We're back. How we doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right. Let me get my phone together here. All right. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, see what we got going on. We're back today. We're going to talk about Exitus Elite. You've seen me talk about this program a lot here recently because they revamped their whole system. And it got me excited about promoting it again. Brand new website, brand new capture pages, everything. They just redid everything. My top 3 programs of 2026, all of them actually have changed their websites and everything. So I'm excited about that. So anyway, that's why we're promoting it again. One of my top 3. All right, so let's get into it here. If you haven't checked this program out, it's been around since 2014. I've been an affiliate for it. I joined it back in 2016. So I didn't just join this. I've been in Exitus Elite. Like I said, they revamped everything. So it looks great. And I'm excited to start back promoting it again. So anyway, here we are. All right. So what we're going to be talking about, we're going to cover a few things here. But before we get into that, guys, just remember, disclaimer. Results will vary. We don't guarantee any income or specific results. Your success depends on your individual effort. All right? All on you. We can't make any income claims. All right? All right. So this is a 100% profit program. Digital products done for you. Capture pages already pre-built. That's why I'm using this particular program. All right, as one of the programs I'm combining with HBA. All right, if you have not seen that video where I talk about I've created an exclusive postcard, it's HBA and Exitus Elite. I'll put the link in the description. You can go back and watch it. But that's why I chose this one and HBA, because they already have their capture pages and everything done for you. You don't have to set up anything. All right, so that makes it simple for the average person where they don't have to create or link anything up. Everything is already there. All right, so they've got the pre-built, no setup required system capture pages. The only thing you're going to have to select is how you want to receive your commissions. All right, so we're going to go over those different things there. Autoresponder is already included as well. Of course, you can integrate Aweber and get response if you so choose to do that. But just to get started, you don't have to connect anything. Just pick a capture page, all right, and drive traffic to that capture page. All right, so anyway, let's go over some things. So let's go here. All right, so we're here on the sales page, okay? And as you can see right here, that's the other thing they have. It's optional. You don't have to select this, but you can turn it on and turn it off in your back office. They have a sales team that will do all the talking to your prospects. All right, they'll close the sales, they'll do all that, so you don't have to speak to them, especially if you're new, right? You're kind of shy. Maybe after a couple sales you get under your belt, and then maybe if you feel comfortable, you can start speaking to your folks. Okay, but if you don't, no worries either way. But I like that the option is here, because a lot of new people, that's one of their biggest fears, of speaking to people. So they have that option where you can turn that sales team on in the back office, and it'll look like this on your sales page when you do that. Right here, the 800 number will appear, and it has your information here. Of course, I can close my own sales, or I can talk to people. I'm not afraid to do that. But what I am doing is, again, I've created a postcard, right, for this, and I want people to be able to see that when they opt into the capture page. Okay, and they'll see this page and immediately know they can call a number That makes a difference, especially for a new person or they have no idea what this is about. They want to talk to somebody. I can't tell you how many times when I was mailing out my postcards, I had my actual phone number on there. They were shocked that I answered and I actually was a real person, because people don't believe that, there's real people behind these. So anyway, for them to be able to go here and dial that number and reach someone, they're going to love it and know that they can do the same. That's what it's about, duplication. Because of course I know I can do it, but a lot of the new people don't feel like they can. You can, right? But you just don't have that posture quite yet. All right, so it's okay. They'll do that for you, and if they close a sale, it's an 80-20 split versus 100% going to you. Okay, which is still a great deal, guys. So instead of $1,000 going in your pocket for a $1,000 product, you still make $800, and you didn't even have to talk to anybody. All right. So anyway, I love that option that they have. All right, so you can earn anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per sale. They've got 5 products. Okay. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to go here today. Let's go under here. Genesis. This program is a digital education platform. They have real courses, real skills, leadership skills. This is digital education, video and audio courses on demand, one-time payment, lifetime access. All right. So you're going to pay for your product one time, no monthly fees. All right. No pass-ups, no one-ups. All your sales go directly to you. So let's cover this. So remember, 5 products. The Genesis is the name of their library. So that digital education. So the G100, okay? That's level 1, all right? So this is affordable for everybody. That's the other thing. So that means it's $100 plus the administration fee for you to get started. $100 for you to get in. And they've got 17 courses in here for $100, all right? So we're just going to go down the list. So that's G100. You make $100 every time someone purchases the G100 from your link. Then they have the G250, grow your skills, grow your income, master email marketing, copywriting, and modern list building strategies. It's 10 courses in there for $250. Now remember, if you get the G250, you're also going to receive the G100. Okay, so now you got 2 incomes and 2 products that you own, right? The G500 is the 3rd level, advanced business strategies, unlock override commissions, scale your income and with proven systems. It's the G500. It's $500 for this one. It comes with 13 courses. Okay, and remember, you learn at your own pace. There's no race here. All right, and remember, when you get that G500, it will also include the G100 and the G250. So now you've got 3 incomes and 3 products. Okay, G1000 is up next. Most popular choice, maximum leverage for your income. The Legends Interview Series plus Premium Business Mastery courses. $1,000 for this one. You got 25 courses. And of course, when you get the G1000, all right, it also will include the G100, the G250, and the G500. All of those. Okay? So now you have 4 income streams. Okay? And 4 products. The top product is the G2000, our ultimate package, all products included for the serious entrepreneur ready to dominate their market. $2,000 for this one. There's 31 courses in this one, and of course, the G2000 is all 5 products. All right, and everything is listed here. You'll have access to all products. One-time payment, sell up to your level. You can only earn commissions up to your current membership level, right? So if you decide to get the G100 today and you sell a G250, you still will make 100. Okay, so you don't lose a sale here. That's the other thing. You do not lose a sale. You still make you still make the 100. The 150 will pass up to your sponsor or whoever's next that's qualified. Okay. All right, and then it's easy upgrades. You can upgrade at any time. All you're gonna do is pay the difference. Really simple. They keep it simple, no penalties, and you have the resale rights to resell the Exitus Elite digital library. That's what we're doing here. We get the resale rights to do that. This is digital education. All right, pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Now, if you decide to get started with me, guys, if you want, you can get access to the postcard. I'll email it to you. I can put your picture on there as well. And what I'm going to do is if you want the postcard, right, if you want to decide, hey, well, I think I want to mail postcards, I'll email you the template, and then I'll send you some leads. So if you get started at the G100, if you buy that product, I'm going to send you 100 leads. If you get started at the G250, I'm going to send you 250 leads on peel and stick labels that you can just stick on the postcards, put a stamp on them, mail them out. If you get started with the G500, I'm gonna mail you, not email you, I'm gonna mail you 500 leads. If you get started with the G1000 or the 2000, I'm gonna mail you 1000 leads, okay? Or if you decide, hey, I just don't even want to mail postcards, but I want to get in this, well, I'll run some traffic for you. You just email me your capture page link, and one of the traffic sources that I use for solo ads will just get traffic sent over to you, to your capture page, okay? So all you got to do here is choose your level and get instant access to your digital education library. You'll have instant access, all right? So it's pretty consistent with that. See right here, it says digital education platform, 100% commission since 2014. They've been around a long time. Paul Stevenson is the owner of this company, and he does webinars once a week also. And he responds to his email. I happen to have his email, and when I send an email, he responds, okay? And they do have support. They have a Facebook group as well. All right, so let me show you what it looks like here. So let's say you're ready to get started, right? You click this Join Exitus Elite button here. I want you to see what it looks like. Real simple to have my username in here. And then you're going to create your account. So you're going to decide which product you're going to purchase. Okay, get in where you fit in is what I like to say. Remember, you can always upgrade at a later time just by paying the difference. All right, so let's say for an example, you say, well, I want to go ahead and get started with the G100 today. Okay, so you just click G100 and look right here. Well, how much is it in addition to the 100? $49. That's the admin. That goes to the company so that they can make money to keep these websites going and updated and all the things they do behind the scenes, your back office, etc. All right, so that's what the admin is. So it'll be $149. $149 for you to get access to. Let's go back here. Hang on. I'm gonna keep both of these tabs open. So $149, you get the G100, right? 17 courses, and check it out. Uh-oh, I lost it. Yeah, that's what the G100 will get you right here. So I want to flip back over. 17 courses, guys, and you're able to earn $100 commissions instantly over and over and over and over again, right? All right, so you just come down here, see, and it tells you $49, you pay $100 to your sponsor, and you just follow along. Fill out this information here, your first name, last name, email address. Make sure you put in the email address you want to use for this business, guys, because this is where they're going to send your login information. This is how you're going to receive lead notifications when people opt into your capture page. So you want to put in the email you're going to check for this business. Very important. Your cell phone, your address here, zip code, country. Okay, create your password. Okay, and it says right here, you're paying $49. So the first thing you're going to do is pay the company their $49. And then it says here, just confirm this is the person you want to select as your sponsor, agree to the terms, boom, and no refund policy. Agree to that, pay the admin, boom, okay, and they accept all the credit cards, all right? The next screen will pop up and say pay your sponsor, all right? All right, so that's the G100. Then, of course, if you want to do the G250, it's $250 plus $99, okay? Then what are you getting again? All right, with the 250, you're getting these 10 courses right here. And remember, the G250, you're also getting the G100. Okay. All right, so it's 250 plus 99. The G500 is 500 plus 199. Well, what am I getting for the G500? Well, you're gonna get 12. Oh, it's still going. 13 courses plus you're gonna get the G250 and the G100. So you got 3 products for that $500. Think about that. 3 products: the 100, 250, and the 500. So you got 13 courses there, 10 courses there, and 17 courses there. All right, and then we go to the G1000. Right, if we want to do that one, you click that button, and it's 1,000 plus 299. All right, and then so for 1,000, you're getting 25 courses. Okay, plus you're getting these courses, 13 courses for the G500, 10 courses for the G250, and 17 courses for the G100. Okay, so you're getting 4 courses, 4 products plus all those courses, and you're able to earn 100, 250, 500, and $1,000 commissions. Whew, hello. All right, if you want to do the G2000, it's going to be 2,000 plus 399. Okay, so we go down further. That one is going to be there we go, 31 courses plus all those other levels we just went over. Okay, that's a total of 5 products plus all those courses. Okay, that's what you've got going on. All right, now let's go over here and just show you real quick those payment options once again. Hang on a second. Oh, did I lose it? Hold on a second. All right, so all you're going to do when you go in the back office is select the different payment options that you want to be able to collect your commissions, whether it's Zelle, Cash App. You can pick all of them, okay? But I'm just giving them all to you. Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Crypto, Bank Transfer, Authorize.net, Stripe, and Square, okay? That's what we got so far. All right, guys? So, great program, solid program. Again, look forward to working with you guys. If you have any questions, my information is in the description. And again, I'm going to put the link of the video I made explaining the postcard that I have put together. All right, so check this out. This is how you can collect these payments, guys. This is Cash App. All right, as you know, Cash App shows you right here deposit amount. All right, and then it shows you cash right here, but it's Cash App. All right, they take their little fee out, and this is what will hit your Cash App account. So we have earned commissions with this Exitus program. We really, really like what they put together. Again, everything is brand new. I've done reviews on it, so you can go back to my channel and check it out. But that's it. That's all. All right. Look forward to you getting started with me. Again, if you have questions, reach out. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.